You've always been able to bring your handheld Artec 3D scanners anywhere in the world. Now you can take your team with you too. Artec Cloud is a collaborative platform that allows you and your team to access and work on your 3D scan data directly from your browser. You, your colleagues, or your clients can upload, view, and comment on scans and 3D models. And you can go all in and make use of the full range of what Artec Cloud can offer too. All your most frequently used tools from Artec Studio are now accessible to you for editing, processing, and exporting directly from the cloud. With Artec Cloud, you can even scan while you're on the road, so you and your team can start checking and processing the 3D data on your browsers right away. Artec Cloud. It's all about teamwork.